It smells really good, guys. Oh my god, the smell is unbelievable. It's really lemony, you know what I mean? Oh my god, it's so good. So I'm gonna taste it. Yeah, really good. Hello everyone and welcome back to HomeFoodCook. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make lemonade. If you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. Thank you. Let's begin. Okay, so for this recipe you will need 1 kilogram of lemons, 1 liter of water, 250 grams of sugar and 25 grams of vanilla sugar. First of all, so you need to let the lemons sink in the water for at least 15 to 20 minutes. And then you need to wash them very good because we're gonna use the skin. So I washed my lemons very good. Now we need to cut them in pieces. Okay, so I finished cutting the lemons. Now we need to mix them with the sugar and the water. We're gonna use a mixer like that. I add the vanilla sugar. Now we add the granulated sugar. And then we add the lemons, layer by layer. I added more lemons and more water, so now we need to mix it again. Okay, so I finished mixing all the lemons. Now we need to transfer them in a big pot like this with a sieve on top, and then we need to separate the lemonade from the pulp. Okay, so now we need to grind it a second time. I add more water. It's still the 1 liter of water that I mentioned in the beginning. Let's go. Okay, so now we need to repeat the same process. We need to get the sieve and filter the lemon. Now, after we finished filtering the lemonade, we need to pass it through a sieve another time. Maybe we need a second time, so it doesn't have all these big shanks in it. Let's do this. It smells really good, guys. Oh my god, the smell is unbelievable. It's really lemony, you know what I mean? Oh my god, it's so good. I really like lemons. I love them. And now it's really hot where I live. It's like 35, 34 degrees Celsius. So fresh lemons, freshly squeezed, and it's cold. Really good. Okay, so now we need to filter it again. By the way, guys, I collected all the pulp here, as you can see. Don't throw it out. You can put it in cakes, you can put it in muffins, you can do like how it's called, I forgot the name, it's in French, tarte au citron. You can do many things with the pulp, so don't throw it out. And maybe soon I will make a video about one recipe using this. Okay, so now we need to filter again this lemonade. Okay. By the way, guys, if you are enjoying the video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you. Okay, let's filter the second time. Okay, everyone, so our lemonade is ready. I'm gonna taste it. You can taste it and add the sugar if you like more sugar. So I'm gonna taste it. You can drink it like that. You can drink it like that, or you can add more water, because it's how to say, I'm gonna write the word here because I forgot, sorry guys. So I'm gonna taste it. Yeah, really good. The acidity is here, and it's not really sweet. We can add more sugar, like 300 grams will be the sweet spot, but I like it like that. You can adjust when you are making this recipe. If you like it more sweet, you can add more sugar. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna drop many videos in the future, so turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye bye.